Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to talk about the specifications and the initial impressions about the upcoming mobile phone, which is a Oneplus Nord 2 device. So yes friends, a lot of users are really interested to know whether to buy the Oneplus Nord 2 or not. Should they pick the Realme X8 Max or not? That is the reason why I thought of doing this kind of video. The main reason why a lot of users are really confused because the Oneplus Nord 2 has got the Dimensity 1200. Yes, same like the Realme X8 Max. Realme X8 Max has got the Dimensity 1200. Even the Oneplus Nord 2 are gonna be having the same kind of Dimensity 1200. That's the one thing why a few of the people are really confused whether to buy or not. But let's check the other specifications what the Oneplus Nord 2 has got. So Oneplus Nord 2 will be having the 6.4 inches of screen size, a 90 Hz refresh rate of display, HDR10 plus, and fluid AMOLED panel. So which is kind of same kind of panels which we did see before as well. That's the one thing common. So in terms of the display, there is nothing much special if you compare with the OnePlus Nord CE and the OnePlus Nord 2. So everything is going to be same in terms of the display mostly, but the performance is the one which is quite double from the OnePlus Nord CE when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2. The only thing is that I'm really not sure about the price of this phone going to be. Maybe the price it's going to be maybe close to 30,000 around that range. I think so on this OnePlus Nord 2 device. Not only that, we do have the highlight of the 650 megapixel camera which is present right now. So previously we did see the 48 megapixel camera lenses, but we do have the 50 megapixel camera. So 50 megapixel with the triple camera setup we are getting. So when the front camera is of 32 megapixel, and some people they did say that they'll be getting the two front cameras, but I think there will be only one single punch hole, which we did see the images. As you can see, one single punch hole which is present on the top, so which are the leaked images. So basically you get only the upgrade in the processor. So only in terms of the performance segment there is quite a bit upgrade, but everything is kind of completely same. Even you are getting the USB Type-C 2.0 storage as well, so then there is nothing much specialty is going on even in that one. And you do get the 4500 mAh of battery capacity and 30-watt fast charging, which is quite simple as normal. So in my opinion friends, the price, if the phone price comes close to 30,000, then definitely maybe you do have the very good option, which is a Realme X8 Max, which has got 120 Hz refresh rate and fast charging capabilities when compared with this phone, so which you can get for about 26,999 rupees. So this is a quite comparison between both phones, but let's see what will the price of this OnePlus Nord 2 gonna be there, because right now the OnePlus Nord CE is priced around close to 24,000 and 25,000. So I'm expecting this price to be maybe coming close to 30,000 or 31,000. That is what my expectations is, because Nord CE also got released and Nord 2 is going to be released. So that is what my guess would be there in terms of the price range. So for that price range, there are really tough competition to select the OnePlus Nord 2 by ignoring other smartphones like Mi11X and the iQOO 7 device and Realme X8 Max. So it's really tough choice for us to select the OnePlus Nord 2 device unless they come with some kind of new specifications or maybe some kind of new pricings. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick review on the initial impressions about the OnePlus Nord 2 device, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.